Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. You can also hit up the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And for those who have been watching my videos and my subscribers, I say thank you so much. I'm really and truly grateful to you all. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Dr. Claire Lightning Hydroquinone Free, and this is the serum. First, I'm going to say Dr. Claire is a really nice cream to use. I do recommend this for people a lot, people who want to lighten, but I don't think only the cream can lighten your skin. So I think you need the serum. You need to add the body serum, and don't add everything, if not you're going to be really white. Just add a little, like this point, to your cream, and you're going to see it's actually like, I recommended this cream for a lot of people who wanted to lighten their skin, and they gave me a good review that it's really nice. It unifies the skin, no knuckles, nothing. And someone said it gave her sunburn. Yes, it's going to give you sunburn. Reason being, we are in Africa, we're in Nigeria, where the weather is really hot. It's just, it's rainy season, so it's kind of calm right now. But it is advisable that when using any whitening lotion, use sunscreen. Some people naturally have sunburn, some don't. Some is caused by the cream they are using, when you get in the sun. Why some is just natural. I've seen dark skinned people even have sunburn. So it's advisable you use sunscreen during the day. And for lightening lotion or whitening lotion, it's actually advisable to use it at night before going to bed, because there is no sun and the weather is cool, calm, and a little bit cold. So it's advisable to use lightening products. So I would say you can use it. I really don't have any bad thing to say about Dr. Claire. But if you've used it and you had a bad experience, let me know in the comment section. There is fake, guys, there is a fake Dr. Claire. So go to a really good supermarket and get yours if you want to try it. For those that have tried it, please let me know how how it was on your skin, if you loved it or not. I know I've gotten good reviews about this cream and serum a lot. Yeah, before I go, this serum, another thing we got to notice is that this serum does not agree with all creams. It's like it only agrees with Dr. Claire lotion. The serum finished long ago. This bottle my friend gave to me. I actually put carne pomade in. Yeah, that's why it's like this. That's why you see these black spots. So I use this for my carne pomade, and I use most of my carne pomade for my skin. So guys, let me know what you think about this cream if you've used it. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely weekend. Bye guys.